Hello guys, good morning. Once more, I'm called Atege Louisa. I'm going to demonstrate the use of how useful Twitter is and how you can use it, how you can log in and create an account. So here we go, you can open the Twitter account, the Twitter web page itself. If you already have an account, you go to log in. If you don't have, you come to sign up. But since you already have an account, I come to log in. I'm going to put my information there. So there I go. So now I'm going to talk about how you can how you can do a tweet, how you can follow someone, how you can like a photo and to check your notification, and how to add photos to your tweet, to your page. So here we go. Type in create. So there I've written, and if you want to add a photo to your tweet, you come create the photo, you go to the photo pad, then you select the area in which the photo you want to add is saved in. Left to you. So there's so many photos here. Left to you which one you want to add. Anyone. So you can come here. Let's say I choose this. Tag someone. Up to you. I'm gonna tag Manda Glory. So it's left to you. If you want to tag someone, you go, you post it, and you can write anything up to you, how you're feeling. In order to follow people, to follow up to you, you come. This is displayed on your right hand. Follow whosoever you want to follow. Left to you, and you can also search who you want to follow. Is you follow the person, or you click on the person profile to see. There you go. And to check your notification, you go to the notification tab bar, see anything you want about who you are following, if you have any updates, if you have any retweets, if someone has retweeted your photos, your uploads, and you scroll down to see the photos of those you're following, the older photos, videos. And if you love a picture and you want to like it, you just click on the add button here, and you want to comment. This is the comment box. This is it. You type anything. There you go. And also, if you want to create a pool, come here to the pool tab. You ask a question, any question of your choice. And you can add another one left to you. And you give the length of time, one day or 2 days, but yeah, I'm gonna put 1 day. And there, tweet. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys next time. Thank you.